When I was in secondary school, all of us students would wait in the classroom and talk noisily until the next lecturer would arrive and start the next class. And one of these lecturers would enter the room. He wouldn't say a word. He would go to his desk, leave his bag on top of his desk, and then he would start talking. But he had so much authority and confidence that he would start talking whispering. He didn't need to raise his voice to get us students to listen. And as he started talking whispering, all of us students would start to shut up and listen, because we knew that if he asked a question and we hadn't heard what he had asked, we would be in trouble. And thus, to emphasize, to highlight a point, there are two ways. The first way is to bring down your voice to a level of whisper. And the second way is to raise your voice and speak much louder to say that this is an important point. And thus, in a scale of 0 to 10, 0, 1 to whisper, and 9, 10 to speak in a very high volume to emphasize a point. And it's a good idea to talk at a base volume level of 5, right in the middle, so that we can vary the volume and speak a little bit louder to a 6 and 7, or a little bit lower to a 3 and 4, to create variation and keep people engaged. In summary, to emphasize, to highlight a point, you can whisper or speak much louder, and let's keep in mind to introduce volume variation to keep people's attention and engagement.